Hey, it's Ned. Welcome to TAGTUTORS, where I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to ace and explain GCSE question. This applies for all specifications: AQA, Edexcel, OCR, doesn't matter. Get a pen, a paper, and listen.
Figure 14 shows two varieties of potato plant. Variety A, large potatoes, few potatoes, slow growing plant. Variety B, small potatoes, many potatoes, fast growing plant. New varieties of potato plants can be produced by selective breeding. Explain how selective breeding of the two varieties of potato can produce new potato plants that are all faster growing and producing many large potato. Explain how selective breeding of the two varieties of potato plants can produce new potato plants that are all fast growing and produce many large potato. Step 1. How many marks is the question what? The question is what? 6 marks, which means I need 6 points that can get me 1 mark each. Step 2. What does the command word mean? Command word in this case is explain. What does explain mean? Explain means give reason. Give a reason how selective breeding of the two varieties of potato plants can produce new potato plants that are all fast growing and produce many large potato. My first point, what do I know about selective breeding? I need to crossbreed variety A with B. Variety A has large potato, which is what I need. Variety B produces many potato and is fast growing. So for me to get many potato and fast growing potato, I need to crossbreed variety A with variety B. Now, what is the reason why I'm doing that? A has large potato and B has faster growing potato and produces many potato. So how do I do that? I need to transfer pollen from variety A to variety B to grow new potato plant. When I've done that, what do I do next? I need to select. It's called selective breeding. So I need to select the offsprings with the desired characteristics. And when I've selected that, I need to repeat this process. Repeat this process over many generations. Okay, when do I stop? I stop until all offsprings are showing me the desired characteristics.
If you have found this video useful, please like and leave a comment. Subscribe and share with your friends. The aim of the video is to help you. Until next time.